flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and cheese. Half cup of fresh milk, 1 piece egg, 1/8 cup of cooking oil, 2½ cup of water, food colorings. I have purple. Molders. Sift all the dry ingredients. Let's continue with the sugar. Let's move on to the wet ingredients. First, we'll put fresh milk. Next, eggs. Then the oil. And water. Okay, I need help. No. Pour. Now it's time to mix. We're going to mix the wet and dry ingredients. Desired color. Transfer the mixing to the mold. Put the cheese on top of the mixture.
It's okay.
Yeah. Oh, thanks. Set the timer to 15 minutes. Colorful Puto. Yum. Yummy. While eating, we're going to share a verse. First Timothy 1 verse 17. Now unto the King eternal, immortal, invisible, the only wise God, be honor and glory forever and ever. Amen. So guys, do you like your puto? Yeah, comment down below.